Hey everybody, Sam Wilson here with 1-800-UNLOCKS. Wanted to show you guys in this video a little tutorial how to actually add your Google Maps review link into your Square receipt. So if you use Square for your credit card processing, which I know a lot of locksmiths do because from time to time I do subcontract commercial jobs, I'll call you guys, I'll pay you for the work, and I always want to leave a review for your professional service. And this actually just happened today where I had a locksmith send me their invoice and I got the receipt. I didn't see anywhere where I could leave them a review easily. So this might be a quick little tip that could help you get some more reviews, and that'll help you with your Google Maps optimization efforts. I also want to say, hopefully by now you guys have all gotten the email about my December 2020 giveaway, where we are giving away gift cards, either $25 or $50 in value, and our grand prize drawing is a key machine. But so if you have signed up for that, great, we really appreciate it. If not, click the link below in the description. It is free to sign up. So let's get started on this little tutorial. I'm going to share my screen and show you the American Lock and Key Square account. We actually have not used Square in quite some time, but we still have access to the account should we need it. So what you're going to want to do is log in. You actually go to, let me get back, so you click on the menu bar, little hamburger menu, go to account settings. You're going to want to drop down the business tab and then click on receipt. So this is where you can customize all your colors and your imagery. Scroll down, and there's actually a couple places where you can do this. I'll show you both. If you want to change, the first place you might want to do it just for a little bit more visibility, especially for customers on mobile, is changing it in the location business name field. So yours might say your business name, and then you can say dash, leave review, dash, and then I've actually pasted already our link. In case you're not sure where to get this link from, you go over to Google Maps, do Locksmith Richmond, VA, find your individual Google Map listing. Alrighty. Click into your listing and click on this share icon. And then it gives you two options, either to send a link or embed the map. You want to send a link, click copy link, and that's where I actually grabbed that. And the cool, actually real fast, you can customize this link. I'm not sure if you knew this, but on the back end of your Google Maps, your Google My Business dashboard, you can actually customize your business name here. So you copy and paste it over here, hit leave review, and hit save. So that's the first place you can do it. The second place is actually a little bit further down. And actually, let me show you. So over here, you'll see where that link is. It's up top above the price, so it's very apparent. And then the next place you can do it is in the return policy. Say, please leave us a review, and then paste in your Google Maps share link. And then you'll see it right down here below the total, below the map. It's got that link in another place. And that's it. So if you have any questions on how to do this, feel free to reach out to me. And I hope that this helps you get a lot more reviews. Thank you all very much for watching. Have a good day.